Namaste children. Today we are going to start a new lesson. Lesson 2. Learn to use MS Windows. In this session we are going to cover the following topics. Introduction about operating system. Example of operating system: MS Windows, Windows 7 operating system, desktop breakdown. Okay, before we start about what is operating system, shall we just recall few things from chapter 1, that is introduction to computer. In this chapter we have seen already what's a computer, what are the parts of a computer, what is mean by hardware, what is mean by software, what are the types of a software, what is mean by application software and example, and system software and its example. Just we recall now. Okay, what's a computer? Computer system is defined as a machine that is used to generate information from data. It has different parts likely hardware and software. Hardware is nothing but that you can feel and touch, example monitor, CPU, mouse, etc. Software is a set of programs that tells a computer what to do. Again, this type of software is classified into two types: application software and system software. Application software helps to do some specific work. It does only one thing. For example, calculator and MS Paint. System software, it runs application software. It is like a manager of a computer system. Operating system is an example of a system software. When it comes to application software, it's mentioned as it do only specified way. That is, we can't do painting in the calculator and calculation in MS Paint. No, that specified what for a calculator is a calculation and MS Paint for the painting. We cannot interchange their work specification. That's the application software. System software helps to run application software. That application software is managed by a computer system. Okay, auricular children, I hope you remember somewhat you have studied in chapter 1. Now let's start to see this session. Introduction about operating system. Operating system is a software that helps you to operate the computer systems through its various functions. Just now we recall that operating system is an example of a system software. It manages the application software and computer systems. Okay, so operating system is a software that helps you to operate the computer system through its various functions. Operating system controls and manages the different parts of a computer system. It acts as an interface between the user and the computer system. Interface means it's a connection or interlinking, the program that joins one device or system to another. We call it as a interface. Okay, it's a interface between the user and the computer system. Operating system means it controls and manages the different parts of a computer system. If you take a real-time example, our school campus. Okay, consider our school campus. We have different types of departments like teaching staffs and non-teaching staffs and students. These different departments and students are controlled and managed by principal ma'am. She is like a operating system. She can or manages and holds the work of other parts of the department. She only the in charge of our works. Okay, same way, computer system has different parts which are managed and controlled by operating system. The different parts like input device, output device, memories and all controlled and managed by a operating system. There are many operating systems. In our book we are given 5: MS Windows, MS-DOS, Unix, Linux and Mac OS. The first mentioned MS Windows is the most popular system software in the world. In our book we are going to see deeply about the MS Windows software. Okay. Why it is most popular system is it contains many features and it is a user friendly and it can be adapted to many PCs. Okay, it is a easy way to work. MS Windows is made by a company named Microsoft Corporation. It is the most popular system software in the world. William Henry Gates, that's Bill Gates, is the former chairman of the Microsoft Corporation. He developed the first version of Windows operating system in 1983. Okay, there are many versions. The first version of Windows operating system started in the year 1983. Okay, it's the most popular system software in the world. How we are saying the operating system is the manager of computer system. How it happens? It's done by a term called a booting. Okay, what's booting? When we switch on the computer, the operating system gets loaded into the computer memory. This process is called booting. When this time only the operating system gets the authority to run the other parts of the system, that is computer memory, access, input and output device, everything is controlled with interlinked with the computer memory that gets loaded with the operating system. So operating system manage the everything under the control of computer system. This process is called a booting. In this booting process, the operating system gets loaded into the computer memory. By this way, the operating system takes the manager role in the computer system. Okay, while your computer is booting, you see a picture of a window flag. I hope you seen in the slide the dots running horizontally, that is called as a booting. The image above the colored picture design is there, no, that we call it as a Windows flag. The dotted lines showing that it's a booting. That means the operating system gets loaded into the memory, computer memory. It mentioned this, that process will take somewhat time, so that will take place in a few seconds. Okay, after that it goes to the next screen. Okay, that we call it as a desktop. Before that we go before we go see that what is the desktop, we can see what are the features of MS Windows. Why the people choosing most operating system software is a MS Windows? It is very easy to use and it's a graphic based. It's not a character based. Before the Windows version, they were the software's operating systems are the character based, but in Windows it's a graphic based. Graphic based means designs or a visual image which is used to grasp the attention of the user very easily. When compared to the full letters and wordings, the children and elders also like to see the picturized topic. Am I right? Picturely described topics you like most when compared to the characters? So MS Windows is a graphic based. It's able to manage the files and folders in a program. Okay, it has icons which helps to do different things quickly. Like Windows, there is MS Windows. Many versions comes under the Microsoft Corporation. 1983 they developed the first version. Okay, after that many version they were developed. In that Windows 7 was published in the year 2009. Okay, in each version they do some more advantage, they added some more specification when compared to the previous. They won't repeated the same specification in each version, just they added the changes some desktop faces or icons. They are able to add gadgets and many things in how to get in by getting a data in a different form, like that they developed in a they added a more specification in every version. Okay, in MS Windows we are going to see about a Windows 7. It is one of the version. This was developed in the year 2009. Okay, the most commonly used operating system is MS Windows. In that particular, a Windows 7 version is used. Okay, it's a very user friendly operating system. Now we are going to see about the desktop of Windows 7. When the process of booting is completed, we see a screen called a desktop. What is a desktop? When the process of booting is completed, we see a screen called a desktop. It has some components. First, desktop background. Second, taskbar. Third, icons. And fourth one is a start button. Okay, now today's class we only discuss about the desktop background. What is meant by desktop? The process of booting is completed, we see in a screen called a desktop. You can able to see in the screen there is a blue screen shown, no, that we call it as a desktop. After that booting, the screen we able to see is called a desktop. The picture in the desktop we call it as a background picture. Okay, the background picture of Windows 7 desktop is called desktop background. The picture in the background, okay, desktop background, we call it as a desktop background. In MS Windows 7 we can able to change the background picture according to the settings. Different background pictures on different computers. Okay, this is the one of the functionality of a MS Windows 7 in the desktop and desktop background. The desktop contains 4 components. What are they? Start button, taskbar, icons and desktop. Okay, desktop background. In that today we have seen only the desktop background. The picture in the desktop we call it as a desktop background. We can able to change the desktop background picture on different computers according to the settings. Okay, today's class, what are the topics we have discussed? We just go for a recap. Okay, what is meant by operating system? Operating system is nothing but it's a manager of a computer system. It acts as an interface between the user and the computer system. Example of operating systems are Windows 7, MS Windows, MS-DOS, Unix, Linux, Mac OS. About MS Windows, we have seen means it's developed by a company called Microsoft Corporation. It is the most popular software in the world, and Bill Gates was the former chairman of Microsoft Corporation. In 1980, the first version of Windows operating system was developed. Okay, the best example of MS Windows is a Windows 7, which is used more widely like MS Windows. In MS Windows, Windows 7 is most popular software chosen by the people. Okay, in Windows 7 we have seen just the desktop. In the desktop it has some components, namely taskbar, icons, desktop background and start button. Desktop background is nothing but the background picture of Windows 7 desktop is called a desktop background. According to their choice, we can able to change the desktop background pictures. Okay, children, please finish your notes and worksheet submitted on a time. Thank you, children.